G'day and welcome to another episode of OSFirstTimer. In this episode, Dinah will be trying out macOS Sierra as suggested by Patreon supporter The Random Melon. Also, I'd like to say a special thank you to all those currently supporting me on Patreon. Your donations help keep my channels alive. Anyway, let's start the test. Okay, so here you are on the macOS Sierra desktop. Yes, it is now just called macOS. The X has dropped. Remember the
yeah, I do.
OS X Snow Leopard thing? Yeah, it's not.
It's no longer X-rated. That's
yeah.
Good. Okay, so here we are.
So your first task, now this is just a normal mum tries out, okay?
Yeah.
So this is what people, we've done a lot of advanced episodes recently. This is just an original mum tries out, although in about 5 episodes from now you're going to be destroying this operating system someone's requested. Okay, what time is it?
Okay, top right-hand corner, it's 6:48 p.m.
Okay, fantastic. That it feels so funny. You've done like one task out of 5 already. The original series just seems so fast. It's so easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But next. I must admit, I haven't tried out a Mac for ages, and I've kind of forgotten what I previously learnt with Mac. But it is a familiar Mac desktop.
Yeah, exactly.
To me, yeah.
And later in the episode, I'll show you a few new Sierra features that they added in this version of Mac to compare to the previous version. Anyway, can you now write, save, open, and delete a text file, note, or document or anything, just as long as you're getting into a program, accessing it, and then getting out of it, then getting back in and deleting
well, immediately down here on the taskbar, I see a note.
Doc.
Well, whatever it is.
Yeah,
I see a note. So, welcome to notes. Now let's have a look.
So, new note.
I'm making a new note. Where do I type it in?
So this simulates if you're on an iPhone using the Notes app on the iPhone, but you don't know how to use that because you don't use that.
Actually,
but yes,
forget about iPhones. I'm not doing any iPhone stuff.
Well, this is like practically the same app.
Okay, here we are.
A note without iPhone stuff.
Yeah, all that stuff's very confusing.
Okay, well anyway, you are in this note. Just show me if you wanted to have a second note, how would you make a second note? So you've got one note.
That's a new folder. That's adding another person to your note.
Yeah. There you go, new note. You did it.
I did it!
And now pretend you've typed in this note now.
Okay.
This note.
Yes.
Okay, and then look, how do you switch between them? Okay, well you've now opened a third note, but there you go, switching between them. There's that note and that note.
Yeah,
See, is that an easy interface?
Yes, it is.
Okay, now get out of this application.
Aren't I supposed to save it?
Saved. Boom. Done. That's all you need to do. You type it. There's no need to save.
Right. Save. Now I've got to get back into it though, don't I?
Right, save, open and delete, but first get out of the app.
Okay, well, I'm out of it. Easy. Now to get back into it.
Just one click for the stuff on the bar. But anyway, here you are. You're back into it. Now open that original note.
Yes.
Oh, you can open it like that too, yeah, if you double click it, but you can just see it in the, thing like that. But there you go, there it is. How would you delete this now?
Oh, actually deleting it for good.
Yeah, not just erasing this text.
Put it in the bin.
Why do you think you would have to drag it there?
I don't know. Or maybe just click bin. Oh, deleted notes are moved to recently deleted folder. Okay, done.
There you go.
Got
and
it.
Delete that note too.
Oh, it's highlighted.
Yep.
So, I see. So I'm getting mixed up because with Windows you've got to drag things to the recycler bin.
Well, you can right click and delete too, but
I did try and right click, it didn't work.
At the same time though, you weren't accessing like a folder with files and stuff like that. This was just kind of a note within the Note app. Okay, you could have done, an actual text editor type thing and
but I still did the task.
You still, yeah, somewhat. Anyway, now can you get rid of them from recently deleted too?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go back.
Just because it's not officially deleted, they're just sitting in somewhere.
Okay,
so
recently deleted.
There you go. Is that easy?
Well, they're not really deleted if you can then access them again. It's not recently deleted. Recently saved.
No, but they're
Can I change that to recently saved?
I don't know. They're permanently deleted after 30 days. But you want them deleted now. How do you delete them now?
Okay, right click. Oh, it does work. Delete.
Yep. There you go.
Right click, delete. Done.
Is that easy, the notes
Yes.
application? That's on your
Yes.
iPhone too. If you ever want to make notes on your iPhone, you've got that.
Yeah.
You just click new note and then you've got them and then you can get in and out, no saving required.
Okay, next task, calculate.
Okay, well there you go. Can you now calculate? There is a calculator on the operating system. However, it is not in the dock.
Oh, it's not in the dock.
It's not in the dock. You
Find
could
it.
add it to the dock.
Well, I want to find it. There's no search bar to find things. File. Okay, wait. No, I'll find it.
What you're seeing here
No.
is the Finder is kind of like an application. I'll let you just see if you can work it out yourself.
Utilities? Okay. Doesn't look like it's anything here. Script editor. Oh, that's another writing thing that you can do. No. What's down here? No. Okay, well I'm going to go here.
Just so far, there are 2 ways you could get into this that I can see. Like,
Well,
really,
I can't find
3
any
ways.
ways.
3 really one-click away ways you could get to the
All
calculator.
my files are... there...
There are 3 ways on the screen right now I can see quickly. Using just a simple click.
Calculator.
That's going to search your...
Calculator. Here we
Yep.
go.
Well, that was one of the
we
ways
go.
I didn't even think of. But okay, you did it.
Yeah.
So now can you calculate 89 divided by 3?
There we go.
Boom, you've done. Well, that was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Now, I'm just going to give you throw in another little task here.
Oh, applications. That's where it would have been. So if
Yeah,
I went to
there you go.
applications, I would have found...
Applications.
Okay, well, I
That's
did
another way
it
you could
twice.
have
I did the
found it.
same task
Also,
twice.
another way you could have found it here. See in the taskbar the rocket ship?
Yes.
Click on that. And what that does is shows you all your applications too, like that, and there's
Oh.
calculator too.
Well,
So,
it should rename that applications because that's what it's doing.
but they wanted to give it a fancy
Can
name,
I
Launchpad,
change
where
it?
you launch all the
No, I
programs.
don't want fancy names. I want proper names describing exactly what you're doing. So how can we change the name of that?
I don't know if you can or not. Right click it. I haven't actually done that before. No, you can't. That's the name of the program. It kind of reminds you of an iPhone, how the iPhone displays all the apps like that,
It
doesn't
does
it?
actually, yeah.
And also you've got that little iPhone folder-like thing.
Yeah.
There. See that? So if you click on that, what happens?
It shows you all the other ones that aren't displayed
Well, click
here.
it just so it shows you. Okay, well that it
Oh,
might.
it just shows you everything.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, that was that. Now, there is one more way. Remember you said you wanted to just, from anywhere on the computer, just search for an application and find it?
Yes.
Where do you think that little search bar is? It's on a place, it's not on in an actual
Here.
application.
Here.
Yeah, I know, but if you want to just from anywhere without that application open. So close that now, close that window.
Okay.
Right now,
Help.
there's
I'd go
search
to help.
bar.
Search. There.
There's another one.
How
It's
many do you need? You only need one search bar.
No, but if
You're
you
not going
can't
to
find
search
one-
lots of things at the same time.
No, there's literally another way you could get to this calculator by searching for the program or file on who do you want. Where do you think a little search bar is? It's accessible.
Ah, here it is.
Yep.
There.
Yep. Click it,
No,
and
no.
then you can type in calculator or whatever you want to
Yep,
type
yep,
in.
yep,
But
yep.
see, just show it how it works so you can see. See, and it even finishes it for you, and
Yeah.
it's like, oh yeah, calculator. Is this what you want?
Yeah.
And then it has other options. Wikipedia. Do you want to know what a
Oh,
calculator
what's
is?
this?
The
Oh.
calculator. It's a movie in another language.
A sci-fi movie, The Calculator. Sounds thrilling.
Anyway, but see how it's searching, it's suggesting websites, the definition for you if you want to know a definition, that kind of thing. So it's a lot of things. That's that. There is even another way to open it. Sierra added Siri to your Mac
Oh,
desktop.
Siri. Wait a sec. I saw Siri. There we go. Hello, Siri. Where is calculator?
I don't know where you are, but you can show me. In Security and Privacy Settings, choose the Privacy tab. Under Location Services, check Siri and Dictation.
Okay, Siri doesn't work well in Mac.
No,
That's
it,
what we
it
just
does.
discovered.
It's using a really bad quality webcam thing, but you'd say it again because it does work.
Hello,
No,
Siri.
but you haven't got
Where's...
Siri open.
Oh. Hello, Siri. Open calculator.
You don't have to say hello every time.
Did you accidentally summon me?
No, I deliberately summoned you.
No, you got to click that little voice thing again. See that little
What do you
voice?
mean?
The microphone under the thing.
No, I deliberately summoned you.
I suppose not.
Just open calculator.
Stop adding things to it. That's why she can't do it. Because you add so much to
No,
it.
now she's trying to listen to you.
Yeah,
now
but-
she's listening to our
because
argument.
she's sick of listening to you.
I'm not sure what you said there.
Philip, so she knew you were talking, so stop talking.
Open calculator.
You took the words out of my mouth.
Well, she listens to me.
She doesn't seem to like me.
But see how easy, imagine if you don't know where it is.
Well, it's easy for you. Let me just see if I can get her to open calculator. Open calculator.
What? Well, it opened it.
Well, she
did. Open. Did you see it did open O-P-E-N on each new line?
Because I said it really grand. Open calculator. So she did a grand opening.
Well, there you go. And you can ask her things like, you could have even said, what time is it? You can even say stuff like, oh, find a file on my computer with the word draft in it. Or, you know, you can do quite a lot of things with Siri. Anyway.
Tell Philip to shut up.
Tell her to shut up.
Do you want to send it to?
Who are you going to send a text message to?
Philip.
Siri.
Hi, Philip. What can I do for you?
Okay, this isn't working well. Forget
it. Siri does work a lot better if you've got a Mac computer with, you know, it's not in a virtual machine and it's not using a dodgy...
And if you're using Philip's voice, it works best.
Anyway, next up, can you now change the desktop background?
I actually like the desktop background the way it is.
There's actually quite a lot of nice desktop backgrounds, but how would you think you'll change it?
Right click, change desktop background. Fantastic.
And can you see a bunch there?
Oh, there are a bunch.
Click on a few,
really nice.
I mean, you can click on a few, don't just click on one.
Do you just click on it and it...
Well, who knows?
Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Oh, it's boring. That's boring. Oh, I don't know about that one. Oh, that's quite pretty.
What do you think about all the... Just in general, the general selection, do you think it's an interesting selection you've got here?
Yeah, it is actually. They're quite nice.
Try the space one, just the one underneath that. Oh, yeah. Okay,
so
I'm
just going to choose...
one?
Yes, I am. Oh, actually, wait a sec. That's mystical. Ooh, that's cold.
I'm going to say it again. This is hopeless. Where, is it downstairs with us?
Yeah, it's our basement. They're cutting away that concrete in front of our garage. I've chosen this one.
But didn't you just say that that other one was mystical?
Oh, it's mystical, but it's too cold and I'm not dressed appropriately, so this one. Oh, it's nice, but it's too cold and look at me, I'm not dressed appropriately, so this one. Oh.
Just so you know, guys, we are dealing with drillers in the background. That's why...
It's really nice. It's really nice, but it's cold and I'm not really dressed appropriately, so that one.
Okay, great. We got it without the drills that time. She said that about 5 times. Every time she says it, the drill starts. Anyway, okay, you can close it now.
We're having major works downstairs in this block of units in the basement level, so anyway, here we are.
Just as an advanced task now, just before you explore the operating system a bit, let's just say, actually, just something I want to show you, a feature that was added to Sierra. Let's say you're on YouTube, right? Mm-hmm. Let's go on to YouTube. So let's say here that you're watching a video, right, like this, and you're thinking, okay, I'm watching a video. Then you think, okay, do you know what I want to do?
Oh, set that as a desktop background, an image in that video.
You can right-click it, right, this video, and see what you've got here, how it says, enter picture in picture. Click that, and the video will jump out of the browser and go down there. Right?
Yeah.
And that actually means that while you're working or you've got a document, you can have a video in like a corner of the screen like that with nothing around it.
Wouldn't that be very distracting? How could you write a document with that playing? You can't do the two things at the same time.
Yeah, I know, but like, you know, it could be, what do you call it, like a text or something in the background, or news running in the background, a football game.
You could be talking about that too.
What do you mean?
Oh, no, but you could be also doing something but talking about that while you're doing something. I don't know.
No, but I'm just saying generally on your computer, let's say you're doing something or you're browsing the web or doing, you know, something like that, and you just want something and it'll always be on top. You just want something in the background, so, you know, it's not like you've got to have a whole nother YouTube window sticking out. Imagine like, okay, grab the YouTube window, that takes up so much more space. This is like a way to watch a video.
Okay.
Well, not use much. Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Okay, so now you can go and explore the operating system a little bit yourself.
Okay, we've got the Finder, which doesn't actually find anything except smiley faces.
Open the Finder so you know what it is. It's like your files browser. Like if you've got documents and stuff, you know, Windows Explorer.
So it just should be renamed Documents.
No, it's not just documents.
It's not really finding.
It's all the files on your computer. It's just basically like the file browser. Call it the file browser if you want.
Well, it should be called File Browser.
Well, they call it the Finder.
And then there's Siri. Then there's that Launchpad, which really should be renamed Applications. Safari, yes, I know what that is. That's the web browser for Mac. Mail. Okay, is that your Gmail and stuff?
Yeah, you can have mail. Have a little look like what it looks like, and so what happens is all your emails will appear at the side of the screen here, and then you click on one and you view it here.
Okay.
So you get it. So that's how that app works.
This one, all your contacts.
And also this kind of stuff.
Like a phone.
Yeah, it syncs with your iPhone too. And you can do FaceTime calls from people on iPhones from your computer as well.
Calendar, so your planner type thing,
Yep.
if you want to plan thing. Does it give you reminders on the days that you've got something planned?
You'll notice here, your reminders app is here from your phone. So any reminders you make on your phone, all these reminders we've made on the phone, sync with the computer. You get it?
Yeah.
So you can like put the toilet roll in the car and all those reminders you get that you make on your phone.
Why would you?
In case you need to go to the toilet and while you're in your car. You're the one who made that
reminders.
You made that reminder.
No.
Put the toilet roll in the car.
You must have got it wrong.
No, you're the one who made the reminder. That's syncing from your phone.
Okay.
That comes through.
That's your reminders. There's your maps.
Yeah. Photos, messages.
Photo, yep, and that's your
FaceTime.
iTunes, iBooks, App Store. Wait a second. Oh, that's if you want to buy more apps.
So click on it. Some apps are actually free. So the App Store, you know how on the iPhone you've got an App Store which has got free and paid apps.
Yeah.
Well, here you've got an App Store which has paid apps and free apps as well. So you can choose a category and stuff like that. See at the top how it says categories. Mm-hmm. So that's just a nice way to and you can have a look at what type of categories there are and choose apps that you're interested in. And there's free ones. See, those are all the categories. Do you want graphics designs? Do you want games? Do you want finance apps? Education apps, video apps, and utilities. So there's a lot of different things there that you can get.
Let's have a look.
So, and that shows you an example. That's Screen Snake. It's a remake of, but instead of moving the snake in a window, the snake moves across the screen itself. So it's you doing it on your screen.
You got to pay $3 for that.
Yeah, I don't think that's worth it. Anyway,
feedback assistant. Okay, and that's your settings.
And it also does come with something very special because Mac is known. It comes with what's it come with?
So these are all the ones that it comes with out of the box type.
You've also got your photo booth for funny photos and stuff.
Where's the photo booth?
No, but we can't do it because it's just a virtual machine. It's not connected to a real Mac camera.
That would have been funny.
Yeah, I know. And you've also got the GarageBand too.
Yeah.
So GarageBand is a good, easy music. I'll just let you have a little look at that quickly. There you go. It comes with Macs and it's a really easy...
I think your father plays with
He
that
loves
a bit.
GarageBand, yeah. The PC version though is very different to use than the thing, but you can choose instruments and stuff like that.
Okay. Well, I'll choose that.
What is that?
It's a keyboard on a ironing board.
A keyboard on an ironing board.
A keyboard in a box on an ironing board. That's exactly what it is.
But you mean with the ironing stand? Because what are you going to iron the keys?
Yeah, ironing stand, that's it.
But you said on an ironing board.
Well...
Come on, this will get boring. I actually will be honest, I have not used GarageBand on a Mac before. I only used it. Create an empty project.
Yes. Okay. Well, let's do it. That.
No, but you chose an empty project.
No, I want to choose
You clicked an empty project. So now you're going to do an empty project. Now, what do you want?
I want that.
Oh, so you're going to plug in something?
Oh, does it make you plug? Why doesn't it use its own thing?
Or you use a keyboard in your Mac to record in built-in virtual instruments. Just to create. Okay.
Okay.
You can use a keyboard, look.
Oh, can I?
You just use
Which keys do I use?
ASDG, that middle row.
ASD.
Just the middle row of keys.
Oh, the whole middle row.
The whole middle row. And that's a classic electric piano. Okay, stop. If you wanted a different instrument, how do you think you'd change that?
Let's have a look. Maybe this? Oh, is it making it a bigger selection now?
How do you change the instrument? That's the instrument you're currently using.
Drum kit, East Bay.
Oh, that you have to download that.
Okay, well just drum kit Bluebird.
No, you have to down ones that don't have that thing. You can use SoCal.
Oh, only one choice. Okay, so.
There you go.
Done.
Obviously you
Guitar, let me do the guitar.
Okay.
Hard rock.
Hard rock, okay.
Okay.
Wait. You realise that not every player does that with a guitar. They'll do it a bit slower, like...
Harp. No, harp. Well, this harp
Do this, like, do one key at a time. This is still a hard rock.
Oh,
Didn't you realise that didn't sound like a harp? You just did I'm very pleasant right now, the harp you have to download. Oh, are you going to download all the percussion
Oh, no, I
instruments?
don't want to download anything.
They're all free to download.
Yeah, but I don't feel like downloading. French horn solo.
But try and play it as if you're really playing it. Try and play it like you're really playing it. I like the description. Why do people, when they play music, do those faces?
I don't know, it's a music face.
It's a music face. Okay. Now you'll see that it also comes with the ability...
Woodwinds, I want to see the woodwinds.
Okay, you want to try out everything right now. And you can have it so that you're playing instruments, like you can record yourself playing one instrument, then do another layer. Just note that you notice how the audio is a bit cutty.
Yeah,
That's just because it's in a virtual machine.
Oh.
It's on the real thing. It's fine. It's fully perfect. It sounds like an old-fashioned movie.
No, I feel like I'm in church.
No, but because of the fact that it's flute cutting, the audio's a bit choppy.
Haunted church.
Haunted church? What kind of... I wouldn't even know GarageBand wants to install downloaded instruments and sounds. That's okay. Just put in your password and it will do that for you. That's the wrong password.
Don't you even know your own password?
There you go. Okay. We've heard you with this. I just want to show you one more thing you can do with GarageBand. And what you can do is see this record button, you can press record and have that play, then record another instrument, and so you've got two instruments playing at once.
That sounds good. I could have fun with that.
Well, you are good. There is a music someone has suggested you play with a music similar to this, and you'll be playing with it with a real keyboard
I can't wait.
So that's another thing coming up. So what you can actually do here is you can get these beats and create a song out of certain beats, and you can get organs and little riff playing. So you don't even have to play that. You can create your own song with all these things. So what you would actually do is you drag this onto the timeline. See that? So you've added that. So that would be some backing, and then you can go piano. What else have we got here for piano? So you might think, oh, I want that. And then you can play those together, and then you can kind of construct your own song and saying, okay.
Oh, you can too.
See?
And can you stretch it out?
Oh yeah, you can. There you go. So you can make that so it goes for longer.
Oh, that just makes it... I want it to go slower. I thought stretching it out makes it slower.
Oh, no. You could probably change that though, and you can keep going through, and what else do I want? Oh, I think I want an acoustic in there too. What's this sound like? maybe not. That won't go well with it. And you can go, okay, what else have we got? So we're in groovy. Wait, let's take piano off. And you might want that in there too, the African rain thing. And you might have that so it starts here, so it plays, and then that starts a little bit later.
Let's hear that. Oh, get something else, the bongo. I want bongo.
With
bongo up there.
Bongo.
Yeah. Yep. Put it down there.
Okay, so here.
Yep.
And where will that start? About there?
Yeah. And that can keep going though. Make those spread out so that they go for longer.
Okay, just wait a second, just a little bit hard. Do you actually like using it? Do you think you could create a real song with this?
Yeah.
Just wait for this to...
I don't know how good it'll be.
So, just a few technical difficulties right now. It's just frozen a little bit. The reason being is because this is a virtual machine, as you're not really supposed to run Apple on it. But what? I thought it had frozen.
No, you just grab it and move. There we go.
Okay. Just press play and let's listen to it from the beginning.
Okay.
So we'll get this little thing back to the beginning and you can listen to your song.
Go.
And you can hear them starting. You can hear the other things starting. There you go. Anyway, did you like that?
I did actually.
Anyway, and you could add more things and make even bigger song and stuff like that. But I think we might finish up for now, otherwise you'll go there forever. And so you can like have that, just an example at the start, I don't think this will suit it, but you could have move these so it starts off with that little thing and then the music
goes
starts.
into all of that.
Yeah, you get what I mean. So
Right.
just as an example, wait, start at the beginning. But you get what how it works. But that's what you can do. Anyway, I think that we've had enough with this now. You could go on for it, and you can even press record and start singing too. So you've got your singing voice and everything, and then you can modify
That
your
can
voice.
be for another day.
Yeah, you have got to make music in a dance episode. Anyway, we are going to finish up now. I hope you guys liked this episode of Diana trying out macOS Sierra. You can now shut down the computer.
Okay. Now we're going to try and think where to shut it down. Go up here. Shut down. Done.
Are you sure you want to shut down your computer?
No, I want to
And look at
continue
the
on with
option here.
this.
Look at the
Cancel.
option here. No.
I want to do this.
No. That's for another episode,
Okay.
okay? A different program, not GarageBand.
Okay.
But anyway, click, you can shut down.
Sleep.
Shut down. Now, what's the option? Reopen Windows when logging back in. That means when you turn the computer back on, everything you've currently got open, it'll open it all up for you.
I thought it then opens Windows.
No, you actually can.
I didn't know I was in Windows.
No.
I thought I was in Mac.
No, so it's like when you turn the computer off,
You'll get
make it so you get
Windows.
Windows. So do you want Windows? If you want Windows when you turn it on, you tick that box.
And then there's another box underneath, reopen with Ubuntu. Logging in.
There is actually
Or
a
Linux.
feature.
Reopen with Linux.
Yeah, there is a feature that you can actually make it so that it's called Boot Camp, and you can actually on Mac have it so that when you turn on the computer, a little Windows icon appears or a Mac icon appears. You choose which one you want, and you can turn every time you turn on the computer. Do you want Windows or Mac?
I thought Mac were very serious though and only wanted Mac stuff on there.
Oh no!
I didn't think they'd give you the option.
They're serious. They will let you have Windows on their thing, but they won't let you run Mac on a Windows computer.
Oh, that's
That's
what
the
it
thing.
is.
So they're very strict. And it's asking you, do you want to save the document?
Don't save, that's it.
There we go. And now your computer is shutting down. What did you think of this operating system?
No, it's good. It's
like
easy. But I would rename some of those little
Little
things.
things.
Yeah. That's
Okay, well, there we go. We will see you next time.
See ya.